Have you ever felt that you're ready for more? More opportunities, more abundance, more joy, but you're just not sure how to draw it in? This crystal kit today is called Manifestation and Success. It's all about aligning you with abundance and amplifying what it is that you truly want. When we're working with crystals, we are working with energy, and each crystal has its own vibration. We can carry them, we can place them in our space, and it helps to shift our own energy so we can attract a little bit more of what it is that we want. So let's go a little bit deeper into this. Have you ever walked into a coffee shop or a space and the atmosphere, it didn't feel quite right? Something felt a little bit off, or someone's mood perhaps rubbed off on you. This is a form of entrainment when we naturally synchronize with influences around us, and it affects us. It affects how we act, how we feel, and how we move. As humans, our energy is always changing. It goes up and it goes down. With crystals, their energy is stable. By working with them, we can begin to realign our energy to their energy, and that's how crystals work. So let's talk about the set today. Let's dive into the crystal kit for manifestation and success. We start off with citrine. Citrine is known as the sunshine crystal. It attracts wealth, abundance, and joy. It always has this uplifting energy. It clears obstacles and blockages while releasing negativity, replacing it with warmth, vibrant energy of the sunshine. Moving on to the luckiest crystal, which is Green Aventurine, known to be the luckiest of all crystals. It creates opportunity and pushes you to take action to get things done. Moving on to our pyrite, sometimes this is called fool's gold. It enhances willpower, memory, and well-being. It's good for manifestation and attracts prosperity. It's nice to have in your car or maybe just on the desk. This set is all about calling in prosperity, opportunities, and joy. If you're ready to start manifesting abundance, set your intention, trust the process, and let the crystals guide you. The Manifestation and Success Crystal Kit is available on my online shop at Inner Cave Crystals, and the link is below. Happy manifesting and have a great day, everyone.